x, and 3x. Andyan na naman si x. Hanapin naman natin si x. Yung mga naghahanap kay x, okay, we will find the values of x. May value ba si x? So this is the continuation of our last topic. The parallel lines are cut by a transversal. Okay, so this time we have to solve this figure. Okay, so in the figure, ray BA, this one, BA is parallel to line segment CD. This is the line segment CD. Okay, parallel sila. And ray DE, this one is parallel to line segment BC. Okay. Ulitin ko lang yung meaning ng parallel, two lines that do not intersect. Hindi sila mag-intersect. Okay, we will find the values of x and 3x. Andyan na naman si x. Hanapin naman natin si x. Yung mga naghahanap kay x, okay, we will find the values of x. May value ba si x? Wala na yatang value sa x eh. Okay? So, yung given natin dito, okay, hayaan nyo na si x. The angle C is congruent to angle CDE. Or angle D. Pwede ang angle D, pwede rin angle CDE. Okay, angle CDE is congruent. Ibig sabihin, the same measure kay angle C. Ayan. Okay? Another na given, angle C, this one, angle C is equal to 180 minus x. Bakit 180 minus x? Ang ingay ng aso. Kasi if we try to add the two angles, or the sum of their measure is 180 degrees. Okay? Then minus x, kasi hindi natin alam kung ano yung value ng x. Okay? May value pa ba talaga si x? Okay, then angle CDE, okay, wala na talaga akong ink. This one, CDE or angle D, ito yung measure niya, si 3x. Okay. Kunin na natin yung kanilang equation. So, equation natin dito, since angle CDE is congruent kay angle C, okay, ulitin ko na pagsulat ha. Angle CDE is congruent to angle C. So the measure of angle CDE is 3x. That is equal to, ito si angle C. Angle C, di ba? 180 minus x. Ako ha? Okay, ngayon, apply tayo ng addition property of equality. Okay? Mag-add tayo dito sa left member of the equation by x. At saka sa right member of the equation, mag-add din tayo ng x. Grabe naman to si x. Okay, 3x, mag-add tayo dito sa left side ng x. Dito rin sa right side, 180 minus x, mag-add naman tayo ng x. Okay. Ngayon, i-combine like terms natin yan. So, we will add 3x plus x, that is 4x. Okay? Then equals 180, si negative x at saka si positive x, i-cancel na natin yan. Walang value na yan. So, ito na yung naiwan. So, 4x, we will divide both sides by the coefficient of x. So, divide natin yan, si 4. Dito rin sa right side, mag-divide din tayo ng 4. Okay, nakuha? Okay? So, i-cancel na natin yung 4 kasi 4 divided by 4 is 1. So, x na lang yung naiwan. Huwag na natin isulat yung 1. Okay? So, equals 180 divided by 4, that is 45. Okay, so this is the value of x, si 45. Okay, what about si 3x? Kasi dalawa yung hinahanap dito eh. Find the values of x and 3x. Okay? So, ang value ng x is 45. Then, yung 3x. So, ang gagawin na natin dito, dito ko lang isulat ha. I-substitute natin yung value ng x na 45. So, 3 times 45. Okay? Buang na So, 15, 12, 13. 135. So, 3x is equal to 135. So, this is your final answer. Okay, next. Form an equation in x and solve the equation. Okay, this is our figure. So, mag-form tayo ng equation. So, yung equation natin dyan sa figure na ito is 3x plus x equals 180. Bakit 3x plus x? Kasi, if this is 3x, this is also 3x. Kasi this is corresponding angles. And corresponding angles are congruent. So, itong measure ng dalawang angle ito ay 180 na. Si angle x at saka si angle 3x. Or si 3x at saka si x. Okay? So, itotal natin yung dalawang angle na yan is 180. They are supplementary angles. So, kunin na natin yung dito, yung solution natin. Parang same to kanina. 3x plus x, that is 4x, equals 180. So, i-divide natin yan both sides ng 4. Okay? That is 4. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. So, i-cancel natin yung 4 na yan. Ang naiwan si x na lang. So, x, that is equal to 180 divided by 4 is 45. The value of x is 45. Okay. We'll try to check this one. Kung tama ba? Okay, so 3x plus x equals 180. So 3 times the value of x na 45 plus x na 45 equals 180. So 3 times 45, ito kalimutan ko. 3 times 45, 15. 12, 13. So, 135 plus 45 equals 180. So, 180 equals 180. So, therefore, our solution is correct. Okay, another figure. So, form an equation pa rin tayo in x and solve for the equation. So, this is the equation. This is the figure. So, kung ang equation natin dito ay x plus 4x equals 180. Bakit sila x plus 4x? It's because this angle and this angle ay alternate interior angle. So, kung ang alternate interior angle ay congruent siya. If this is 4x, this angle is also 4x. So, i-add na lang natin yung dalawa kasi ang total nito, si x at saka si 4x ay 180. So, x plus 4x equals 180. So, this is our equation. So, to solve the equation, we have combined like terms, or combining like terms, or combine similar terms. So, x plus 4x, that is 5x, equals 180. So, divide natin yan both sides by the coefficient of x. So, 5x equals 180. Ayan, divide natin yan sa left side ng 5. Kung ano yung coefficient ng x, yun din ang i-divide natin. Ha? So, divide din natin dito sa right side ng 5. Cancel natin si 5. Ang naiwan, si x na lang. Yung x mo, ang naiwan. Sa muta. So, 180 divided by 5, that is 36. Okay, 36. Okay, sure lang natin ha. Baka magkamali tayo. Okay, 5 divided by 180 divided by 5, that is 3. So, 15. Okay, so 8 minus 5 is 3, 0. Then, 6. So, 30. So, tama yung 36. Okay. The value of x is 36. Kung i-check natin yan, okay, check natin ha. Wala na akong space. X plus 4x equals 180. The value of x is 36. Plus 4 times 36 yung value ng x equals 180. So, 36, kupahin natin yan. Plus, 36 times 4. Okay. 24, 12, 14, 144. So, 144 equals 180. 180, i-add natin yan, 46 plus 144 is 180. equals 100. So therefore, our solution is correct. At maraming salamat sa panunod. At kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, mag-subscribe ka na at hit mo yung notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng mga videos na i-upload ko. See you to my next video. Bye-bye.